Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by placing the image as a link rather than embedding it. Open File Place, navigate to the image, and make sure the link box is checked. Do this because linking preserves file size and keeps edits external. Once placed, Illustrator references the source file instead of storing pixel data. If you expect to move or share the document, put the image and the AI file in the same project folder now. Once done, position and scale the linked image on the artboard using the selection tool. Now manage the link through the Links panel so you maintain control. Open Window Links and select the placed image. If Illustrator flags the link as missing, click Relink and point to the new file location. This restores the connection without replacing styling or transforms. To edit externally, choose Edit Original, which opens the source in its native app, save there, and return to update in Illustrator. If you prefer the file contained, use Embed, but be aware that embedding increases AI file size. Finish by packaging or saving your file to lock in the current link state. Choose File Package to copy linked images into a production folder before sending or archiving. Make sure to inspect the Links panel for any warnings and save a backup of original source images. If a link breaks later, first check the file name and path. Restoring the original name often auto-resolves the link. Otherwise, use Relink to manually point Illustrator to the correct file. One key tip: always keep a backup folder alongside your AI file to prevent missing link issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.